Hey there, my healthy people. Quick question. When you think of guava, what pops into your head? Sweet, juicy fruit, right? But wait, what if I told you the real superstar is not the fruit at all, but the leaves? Yes, those green leaves hiding in plain sight. Let's dive into the juicy secrets of guava leaves, and trust me, you'll never look at them the same way again. First up, digestion. Ever heard of those days when the stomach feels like a balloon about to pop? Or worse, those emergency bathroom trips? Guava leaves to the rescue. They've got natural antibacterial powers that kick bad gut bacteria to the curb. They soothe bloating, reduce gas, and even help calm ulcers. It's like a spa day for the tummy. To my friends keeping an eye on blood sugar, guava leaves are a game changer. They help slow down how fast sugar enters your bloodstream and make your body respond to insulin better, fewer sugar spikes, and more stable energy. It's nature's way of saying, I've got you covered. Trying to shed some pounds? Guava leaves can help. They keep extra carbs from turning into stored fat and give your metabolism a little kick in the pants. Sip a cup before meals and watch your cravings chill out. This is how a guava plant seedling looks like. You can actually just plant one in your compound and keep trimming it when it becomes bigger. Let's talk about heart health. Guava leaves can help lower bad cholesterol, increase the good kind, and keep your blood pressure in check. Basically, they're like tiny personal trainers for your arteries, keeping things flexible and smooth. Feeling run down? Guava leaves pack a punch of vitamin C and antioxidants, making your system ready to karate chop any nasty bugs trying to ruin your day. Bacteria and viruses, they don't stand a chance. Want a clear skin and healthy hair? Listen up. Applying guava leaf tea to your skin helps fight acne and soothe inflammation. And for your hair, it strengthens the roots, fights dandruff, and helps it keeping looking fabulous. That's right. Guava leaves are a beauty secret you didn't know you needed. Guava leaves are a pain relief without the pill bottle. And for the ladies, if you've got cramps, sip some guava leaf tea and feel those muscles relax. If you have joint pain, its anti-inflammatory powers work there too. One simple leaf, so many uses. So how do you get all these superpowers? Easy. Boil a handful of fresh guava leaves in 2 cups of water for 10 to 15 minutes. Sip it warm or let it cool and apply it to your skin or hair. Zero chemicals, just pure natural goodness. So there you have it. The humble guava leaf isn't so humble after all. It's your tummy turner, sugar stabilizer, heart helper, beauty booster, and all-around wellness warrior. Try it out and thank me later. Mother Nature really knew what she was doing with this one.